For pH, we look at pH and we see that we have the group of microorganisms, mold, yeast, and then a lot of bacteria. If we look at three groups, then mold is actually very tolerant to low pH. So mold can grow at very low pH to very high pH. Then yeast also more tolerant to low pH. But then a lot of bacteria are not very much tolerant to low pH. Means that if you make sour food, if you make food of low pH, lower than 4.5, for example, 4.5 is here. If you make food of low pH, so you already prevent a lot of bacteria to grow. So normally sour food got spoiled not because of bacteria, but because of yeast or because of mold. Right. For example, if we look at Clostridium botulinum, this is a dangerous pathogen which occur in canned product, in sterilized products, which caused issue. Some months ago in Vietnam, many people got infected and got seriously ill. And then the newspaper did not talk any further, but I don't know if people are now okay. But a number of people hospitalized because of the infection with Clostridium botulinum. Very dangerous pathogen, but the good thing for human is that with this bacteria, it cannot grow when pH is below 4.5. Mean in the sour food, in the food with high acidity, with the low pH, it cannot grow. So we don't need to kill this if our food has low pH. Good? And then other one like Salmonella is also a quite dangerous pathogen, but the not good thing is it can grow down to pH 3.5. So fermented meat like cure, some other product which have a quite low pH, we still have issue with Salmonella because it can grow at quite low pH. This is important. This table is so nice that when you make your company process certain product, if your company make product of high acidity, then normally the safety is not so difficult to control the microbial growth, the bacteria to grow, because the pH low pH is already inhibit a lot of bacteria. But when your product is at an optimal range, like at this range, then you should be careful because all yeast, mold, and bacteria can grow into condition. Summarize, okay? Mold is the most tolerant to low pH, and then to yeast, and then bacteria. This table will tell you what the minimum pH value that this pathogen can grow. If we look at again Clostridium botulinum, somewhere here, depending on the strain. Some other bacteria, Salmonella, can go down to 4 and so on. And these values are the pH range of dairy products. So normally dairy products have quite high pH, except yogurt. If you make yogurt, then low pH, but other products have average pH value, then though range of pH will not inhibit bacteria to grow.